Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering tools and oil so you don't stop mid-job. Warm the engine 3 to 5 minutes to thin the oil, then center stand the scooter on level ground. This ensures a complete drain. Clean the area around the drain and filler to keep dirt out. Once done, position a drain pan under the gearbox drain plug and have a fresh crush washer ready. You will remove the drain plug first, so brace the scooter and grip the socket firmly to avoid stripping. You loosen and remove the drain plug while the pan catches the gear oil. Opening the filler plug speeds flow and prevents glugging. Let the gearbox drain until drops slow to a trickle. This removes debris and old lubricant. Then inspect the oil color and the drain magnet for metal particles. Small specks are normal, large flakes mean wear and you should consider a service check. Clean the plug threads and magnet, then fit the new crush washer. So you refill through the filler hole using a funnel until oil reaches the lower edge of the opening. This gives the correct level without overfilling. Tighten both filler and drain plugs snugly. Do not over-tighten and wipe any spills. Start the engine briefly, shift through gears while stationary to circulate the oil, then check for leaks. Take a short, cautious test ride and listen for unusual noise. If you hear whining or find leaks, pull the plugs and recheck the oil level and crush washer seating before returning to the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.